Well, the World Cup might still be here, but the Premier League football is not far away, and my favourite team, Liverpool, has just brought out a brand new playing shirt. Let's go and have a review of what the new home shirt looks like, and what are our first thoughts? So yes, KITMM has come up trumps as always. As you might see on the website at the moment, KITMM1.com, they have currently not accepting orders from the 29th of June to the 7th of July. So if you're trying to get anything at the moment, you can't. There are no orders. They are on holiday for a minute. Stuff will be shipped, but for the minute, don't order anything. 7th of July, they're back up and running. I've just received my order for the Liverpool stuff. I've also got a little bonus for my daughter as well in the Japan shirt, the one that she wanted to get. Now, we have got 3 shirts by Liverpool. We've got the home short sleeve, the home long sleeve, and also the kids version as well, which obviously comes with shorts. So without any further ado, let's get over and have a look at these fantastic kits. So first of all, we will do the child's one, purely because it's from a boy. Now, this comes with the shorts as well, £16 for the full kit with logos, name on the back, and a number. £16. Let's have a look, shall we? So, with the Liverpool kit, the brand new 2026-27 shirt, like the old candy one, doesn't it? It is an absolute cracker. Beautiful stuff. We have got the Liverpool badge. We've got the Adidas badge. Across the back, we have Presley and the 11 that he loves to wear. We've also got the No Room for Racism with the Premier League badge on that side. And we've got the Expedia logo on that side. Now, as we'll see with the shirt, it is a complete replica of what the adult shirt is. And like we always say with this, KITMM.com, or KITMM1.com, should we say, they come up trumps every time. It is fantastic. These kits are second to none. Now, the detailing on the shirts is just beautiful. If you have a look at that, it is completely as you will find. That is just stunning. It is stunning. We've also got the Premier League on the numbering as well. With the shorts, as was questioned by people before, why are the shorts a slightly different colour? In fact, let me show you. Why are they a different colour? They are slightly different colours. Liverpool just said that's because that's what they're doing. Not really a reason, is it? But, you know, the shorts are fantastic as well. The 11 with the Premier League logo on it. Liverpool badge there. Adidas on the backside. The 3 stripes down through the shorts. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. There's not a lot of difference in the colour, but it's just not the same. It's just random. It is random. But when you see it on TV, they look really different. So those are your children's versions. Like I said, £16. You can't go wrong with that from KITMM1.com. Right, let's have a look at the short sleeve version for the adults. So the short sleeve version is an absolute beauty. Look at that. First impression, it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. That shirt there will set you back. Let me just dig it out a minute. £14 and 10 pence. You can't go wrong, can you? I know, as we say before, whether they're seconds, replicas, or whatever they might be, this is just beautiful. Look at that shirt. It's just a larger version of the child's one. Obviously, for myself, I don't have the numbers on the back, but we do have the Football Foundation, Liverpool Foundation down the bottom there. I don't bother with the number, purely because when I'm out in the van working, when I'm wearing my shirts, a little bit hot when you sat down for too long. But that there is beautiful. It's just beautiful. Now, what's the difference between the short sleeve and the long sleeve, you'll say? The long sleeve version is just as good. Absolutely stunning. Fantastic shirt. Where the Expedia is there, we then have the 3 stripes down through. Small elasticated little cuff there. Only about, what, half an inch, less than that. Just a little bit. It is a beauty. It is a beauty. Fantastic for winter wear or just a bit of a cooler day. I do like the 3 stripes down through. It is very, very nice. Look at that. This is beautiful. There's a continuation from over the shoulder down through. There you go, look. Comes down through. But the detailing, like we always say, these sorts of things, you're not just finding this material anywhere, are you? It's the proper stuff. You can see it's even got the pattern through. Look at that. So whether they are making these shirts and having a few extras for themselves, I'm not sure, but that there is beautiful. Look at them. Look at them. KITMM1.com. They've got your back. They've got you covered. For £14.10, you can have short sleeve or long sleeve. Cost me the same amount. It was the same fee. Didn't cost any difference. Absolutely beautiful. Now that's me and the boy covered. What about one for the daughter? Yes, the daughter, she does love the Japanese stuff, and we have got this absolute beautiful special edition Japanese top. Comes with just a little bit of extra threading in there. I don't want to pull it because it might. Oh, there you go. Bit of over threading. It's not an actual misstitch or anything, just a bit of extra. Where it's come away, they haven't snipped it off. That's all. Now this one has got like your bonsai tree and the bonsai house. Absolutely stunning. Look at the detail on that Japanese badge there. This one's in a 26 because she's a little bit older, a little bit bigger now. Look at that. Look at that. What detail is that? That is absolutely stunning. And obviously with the children's versions, you get the shorts as well. So we've got the Japanese shorts there as well. Black shorts, Adidas badge, Adidas 3 stripe down through. Unbelievable stuff. That is unbelievable. And that'll set you back under £11. KITMM1.com. For under £11, Japanese special edition retro shirt. You can't go wrong. And you can't go wrong, boys and girls. The stuff that they got on this site is just unbelievable. And like I said, don't forget, you can't get anything for a few more days yet. What are we now? The 3rd, as I'm recording this video. It will be out tomorrow. So by the time you get this, watch it a few days. Please do watch it a few times. And then come in here and order what you want. Oh, look, it makes me ill seeing that Arsenal bottle jobs there, look. Oh. In fact, look, the home shirt, £11.54. Then you stick your badges on. That's when it adds up a little bit more. So like if you do the Premier League one, and if you do the Expedia one, Foundation one if you wanted to as well. What's that saying now? No number on the shirt. And in an extra large, £16.71. It's an absolute bargain here, isn't it? Well, thank you very much for watching, boys and girls. Yes, Liverpool all the way today with a little splattering of Japan. Thank you so much for watching here at the Preset channel. Please do like, subscribe and get notified to all the future uploads, whether it be here doing the shirts or whether it be doing the Football Manager content. We love to see you and we love to see even more of you. And thank you very much. See you soon. Goodbye.